Hello, everybody. It is Paul here. The current date right now is currently July 3rd, 2026, Eastern Daylight Time. The time right now it is currently 11:58 p.m. Eastern Time. The ball drop is about to happen within the next minute or so. It's for Independence Day because July 4th is coming soon and America is turning 250 years old. Wait, hold on. We're getting an emergency alert system. Please stand by for this message. Warning. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. This is an emergency action notification. All residents in the United States, find shelter immediately. To repeat, all residents in the United States of America, including Hawaii, Alaska, Guam, Northern Mauritanian Islands, American Samoa, and others, including Puerto Rico. This is not a test. Seek shelter immediately. Iran just struck a nuclear attack against the United States of America before Independence Day. All residents in the United States should seek shelter immediately. The cities are as follows: Providence, Boston, Hartford, Augusta, Albany, New Jersey, Trenton City, Harrisburg, Erie, Tallahassee, Miami, Orlando. God, there's so much cities I have to say. Austin, Dallas, Fort Worth, Mobile, Alabama, Montreal. That's in Canada, but Canada is also affected by this. I don't know why Canada is affected, but it's whatever. Anyways, also, states could be impacted by this, including Washington, Oregon, California, Alaska, Hawaii, Guam, Northern Mauritanian Islands, Puerto Rico, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, Florida, New Hampshire, Maine, Vermont, New York, Texas, Oklahoma, Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Pennsylvania, Georgia, South and North Carolina, North and South Dakota, Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado, and Utah. All residents within the following states and cities, including one city in Canada, shall seek shelter immediately. These missiles will impact those states and cities within the next 2 to 3 hours. Follow will be followed 10 minutes after impact. To repeat, follow will be reported after impact.
Look, everyone, I know that Iran is going to attack us, but that is not stopping us from celebrating the 250th birthday of America. We will make America great again. We will attack Iran, and we will destroy Iran's economy by destroying their military. Who will agree on me on this particular thing? Because me personally, our country does not deserve to be attacked on Independence Day. It's our holiday that we celebrate our independence back since 1776. We will make America great again once and for
all. Hello, everyone. It is me, Paul, speaking. The current day right now is currently July 4th, 2026. Happy Independence Day to you all. The time right now is 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Here's your weather forecast for today. Overnight, mostly cloudy skies with a chance of rain and thunderstorms. Southeast winds 15 to 25 miles per hour. Gusts can exceed up to 35 miles per hour. Sunday, mostly sunny. Chances of showers expected. Highs in the lower 90s except for highs in the upper 90s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. The National Weather Service in Miami, Florida has issued an extreme heat watch in effect for southern Florida, northern Florida, until July 7th, 2026, at 12:25 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. There has been some high temperatures recorded across the entire state of Florida. High temperatures can exceed up to about 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat index values can exceed up to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. When? Until July 7th at 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes that it could mean that favorites of temperatures could exceed way above 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Stay tuned for more news and weather updates on this unlikely heatness event. Hi everybody, my name is Gerald, and I'm the voice actor of the Dallas National Weather Service. It looks like that 1 minute ago there was some deadly fireworks that was launched up in the air, and it caused people that saw them to die when they saw the light of it. Hold on, we're getting an emergency action notification. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. This is an emergency action notification. All TVs and radio stations should get this emergency action notification. Please do not use your telephones. Telephones should oh, sorry, getting a little sick here. Anyways, telephones should not be open unless of emergency uses only. This is your emergency action notification speaker, Gerald. We are the voice actors for the Dallas-Fort Worth area. If you are not in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, tune to stations providing news stations for your local area. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, the Dallas-Fort Worth Police Department, and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. About a minute ago, deadly fireworks were launched across the United States of America. People who saw and looked at it were killed immediately in the most gruesome way possible. If you see... Getting sick, sorry, God. Anyways, if you were to buy fireworks, please buy the non-deadly ones, because if you buy the deadly ones, then, well, you're cooked, obviously. We'll be banning all deadly fireworks for 4th of July at 6 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 5 a.m. Central Daylight Time, 4 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, and 3 a.m. Eastern, and not Eastern, Pacific Daylight Time. All residents in the United States, please seek shelter immediately. The nukes that were launched by Iran were actually false, but the Iranian government is expected to launch a big nuke that's gonna impact Kansas within the next 2 to 4 hours. All residents in the state of Kansas shall seek an underground shelter immediately. Please bring food, water, clothes, medical supplies, a first aid kit, and a battery-powered radio with extra batteries. This is a very dangerous situation and it should not be taken seriously. Stay tuned for more information on this very dangerous situation. Hello everyone, it is Paul here, and I'm currently right now with Gerald right now. The current time right now, it is approximately 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, July 4th, and in the location right now you're listening to is Boston, Massachusetts. We have currently seen an attack against the United States with Iran. USA struck back, but Iran made a peace treaty with the United States of America. Damn, it's hot out here. It's a good thing I got water. Anyways, we're getting an alert system. Please stand by for the message. The National Weather Service in Boston, Massachusetts has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for parts of northeastern, southeastern, and northern Massachusetts, parts of northern Rhode Island, into 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. As of 5:03 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a line of severe thunderstorms was located east of Boston, Massachusetts, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 mile per hour wind gust and penny-sized hail. Source: impacts. Flying debris could be picked up by the strong winds. Hail is expected to damage not basically like grass and stuff. When? Until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. You're in a life-threatening situation. It should not be taken seriously. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. Tornado emergency in effect until further notice. As of 5:06 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a very strong tornado moving east into Boston at around 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 165 mile per hour wind gust and baseball-sized hail. Source, damage to houses and buildings. Impacts, flying debris could be deadly for those caught without shelter. Impacts, you're in a life-threatening situation. This is a PTSD. This is a PTS. This is a PTS. This is PTA. We are sorry for this interruption. This station has currently been shut down until further notice. Please tune to a different station. I'm sorry for this interruption. This station has been shut down until further notice. Please tune to a different station. We are sorry for this interruption. This station has currently been shut down until further notice. Please tune to a different station. I'm sorry for this interruption. This station has been shut down until further notice. Please tune to a different station. We are sorry for this interruption. This station has currently been shut down until further notice. Please tune to a different station. I'm sorry for this interruption. This station has been shut down until further notice. Please tune to a different station. We are sorry for this interruption. This station has currently been shut down until further notice. Please tune to a different station. I'm sorry for this interruption. This station has been shut down until further notice. Please tune to a different station. We are sorry for this interruption. This station has currently been shut down until further notice. Please tune to a different station. I'm sorry for this interruption. This station has been shut down until further notice. Please tune to a different station. Hello everybody, this is your news weather report, Gerald here. Apparently, Paul has successfully evacuated from the city of Massachusetts, so I'll be covering for him. The current time right now is currently 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, July 4th, 2026. And we're about to have the first game of the World Cup happening. It's going to be Canada against Morocco, so I hope that goes actual well. Anyways, we are about to receive a emergency action termination in effect. So, yeah. This is an emergency action termination. This is an all clear message. To repeat, this is an emergency action termination. This is an all clear message. Everything has been crazy for the past couple of hours, but now this is finally over. Iran has successfully signed a peace treaty with the United States of America, and they are successfully now friends. Your government will thank you for your cooperation during this time. I know this was a tragic event. I hope you guys can continue watching the World Cup later this weekends, and throughout the rest of next week and the week after that. I hope that we can get a new country to win the World Cup. To repeat, your government thanks you for your cooperation during this time. We know that this was a tragic event that happened, but now this is finally over. Your government thanks you for your cooperation. Well, I'm glad that's over with. I'm glad that everything is finally normal and everyone can enjoy their lives again for the 4th of July for America's 250th birthday. So, yeah. Well, that was it for my Eas Scenario number 7. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Please let me know down below which Eas Scenario content you want me to make. And, well, I guess I will see you guys. I guess I'll see you guys in my next Eas Scenario if I do, in fact, make one. I hope you guys have a late happy 4th of July, and I hope that America can turn themselves again. Bye, everybody. Grade 12, signing out.